So in today's video, I'm going to go over this Lion Energy solar panel kind of setup here. I actually have a 2-pack of these solar panels. They are 100 watt. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of like go over on how I've got them ran together here and how they charge a power bank and why this might be some of the best portable solar panels I've ever used. Now, I have used other portable solar panels that are more like a foldable type solar panel that's a more, I guess, kind of like a canvas. The problem with those, they start looking really rough and they seem to wear out more often than not if you leave them outside too much. Check these things out. Lion Energy has you covered if you don't want to go with the suitcase style ones. So it's the Lion 100 12-volt solar panel. That's the one I have. I actually got a 2-pack. Here's how my second one came right here. I just got it like this because this one actually has a case, because I wanted one where I just had, if I wanted to carry a case and have it all together. It's actually a pretty solid case. Check that out. It has their logo on it. This thing is great for mini fridge, LED, reading lamps, phones, laptops, TVs, and you know what? CPAPs. 100 watts, durable, expandable, portable, and easy to use. And that they are definitely easy to use. And this is the box I got it in right here. You can see right here how it looks set up. So it's a foldable top unit. Now, just to note, these things use this Anderson style plug. I actually got me a separate plug from Lion Energy, but my unit here doesn't accept Anderson plugs. This right here, if you guys know, this is an XT60 plug. So just to note, you're going to need it. If you need an XT60, I went ahead and got me an additional wire. I'm going to keep this just in case I do get a solar bank that uses this Anderson style plug. But right now, I got this one. And another thing to know, these Anderson style plugs, these things switch to whatever orientation you need. So the advantage of this plug, it's a male and female all in one. All they do, I can't do it one-handed. All you're going to do is pull this cover back, and then these slide up, and then you'll turn them whatever you want. Basically, I could show you on this one on how I did it. You guys see that? So I flipped these around, so it's basically the same connector that connects into itself. I didn't know that, actually. I actually thought I needed a like adapter, but these things slide off. It's a little tough. I had to use some pliers, but you see how I'm starting to slide them apart? They slide apart like that, snap together, then you pull your cover back, and then I've got the orientation that I need. And see that? Because I needed it to plug into this wire, and at first I didn't think it plugged in. So just a little tech tip for you, that those do plug into each other, also male and female. So I don't personally need this right now, but this is a very high quality cable. Y'all check that out. This is the Lion Energy like cable. I recommend going ahead and getting one of these cables, especially if yours uses a actual Anderson connector. Mine uses the XT60. So let's just look at the units. And then also you see what I've got going on here? I've got them linked together. So let's look at them from the front. By the way, it is wintertime out here, so I don't have a lot of sun, so I'm not gonna give you, but I have seen this go all the way up to 180, which is good when you think this is 100 watts a piece. Just to know about solar panels, you're probably gonna get less than 12 to 20%, no matter what the rating is. So if you need 150 watts, get you 2 of these. If you wanna go higher, get you 400 watts, and then you'll probably get about 370 or something like that. But I have this one wired into this one, and Lion Energy made it extremely simple to do that. Let's just roll this one over and let me show you why. So you see, first off, check out these legs. They've got adjustable. I love this metal adjustable legs. My other one have just a flop out legs, and those things are terrible. I like this one because I can find whatever degree I want. Here in the wintertime here, I want to be at about 35 degrees, so I can adjust it to however, just like that, and then tighten these down, and it's locked into place. You can see the back of it. It's 100 watt maximum. Open circuit is 22.0 volts. Short circuit is 6.1 amps. So you get about 6 amps out of this thing. Maximum power voltage, 18 volts. Maximum power current, 5.6 watts. Now you're going to run these together. You notice you see a input here and an output here. So if I want to run these two together, I take this output, I run this out because this is the one that's going out. So I've got the output going, and then I run it into the input on this one. Now, once again, remember what I said about those Anderson clips. You need to flip them around to reorient them to go into that. And then the output on this goes to here, and then runs the output to the power bank. Let me set this thing up. The sun just went behind the clouds. Let's wait till the sun comes out. Let me show you some energy that's being produced out of these, because right now you're probably, oh, I just flipped it over. See, we got 0, but let me flip this thing back over, get it set up, and then I'll show you guys how much power we can get into this power bank and get this thing charged up. So you know what? You can be almost 100% portable off grid with electricity. So let's do that now. Okay, so the sun's out a little bit. It's not out 100% right now, but I'm just gonna show y'all where we're at. Look how it's already hit. Maybe it hit up to 180 just a while ago. Right now we're at 100, but you can see it starting to go behind the clouds again a little bit. So this thing will easily push 160. I think 180 is the max that I got on both of these panels in this orientation right here. So my all powers power bank is charging just fine right now. I'm gonna let it set out here, get a full charge, and I should be good to go. It's actually all the way down. It's already went up 1% just while I started this video right here. And this is the panel that I used to use. So remember I was talking about these foldable panels. These are not as durable as what you would get if you went with these Lion Energy ones. These things are tough. They've got this aluminum frame all the way around and this nice crystal in the middle. I really like these a lot. I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs a good set of solar panels that are like durable enough to kind of like haul around, put on a roof, maybe leave outside for a little bit longer than normal, and just kind of like do everything that you need to do. And you can see the sun just came back out. We've got sunshine again. Now we're up to 160. I don't know how well you can see this in the camera. This display is a little hard to see, but we are at 160 watts of energy coming in. I do have these run in a series right here, so you're getting both panels at the same time. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Lion Energies, and you know what? The all powers, you know, power bank, portable. See y'all in the next video.